Hi soulmates, welcome back to my platform once again. So you would love to learn how I made this beautiful rose, please stay tuned. Okay, so these are required materials. One disposable cup. You have soldering iron, machine gum, candle gum. Okay, so you trace it out this way. So if you have soldering iron, use it to trace it out. Yes, at this moment my students, they were looking for my soldering iron, though I later use soldering iron to trim the edges, and the fabric is satin fabric. Yes, so I have to plug our candle gum machine. So to use my disposable cup. So this part is not compulsory, but I just placed added gum there to secure that part. So when I'm through, I'll be using one piece to cover that part for neat finishing. So watch closely. So now I have to start placing it from inside. Okay. So add it this way, all round, okay. You can see how beautiful it is. And please, if you find the video interesting, like, share, okay, comment, okay. And for more free online sewing tutorials, stay tuned. YouTube, Chi Living Signature, Facebook, Chi Living Signature, TikTok, Chi Living Signature. So you can see, so you fill in the cup. Okay, very easy. You can see, so you do it all round. So we're almost through. Okay, make sure you fill it properly. So pull it out this way. You can see the part I said earlier. So I will covering that part, okay, with 2 pieces. Tapping on it, it will just give another shape. Okay, so I've seen my soldering iron, so I want to trim it. Okay, but if you have your soldering iron, advise you use your soldering iron to trace it out. Yes, so this is, you can see how beautiful it is. So trimming the edges, you can see how neat it is. So you can use to embellish your beautiful outfit. And the stem is from artificial flower. Thanks for watching. I love you all. God bless you all. Bye.